Dkeli Portable Massage Table Spa Bed Folding. The Dkeli Portable Massage Table Spa Bed Folding is a budget-friendly option, though with the number of accessories and claims for the price range, this is not a reliable massage table. There is only one Amazon review for this massage table, which does not give enough customer support to invest in this massage table. This table claims to support 450 pounds while being incredibly lightweight for an extremely low budget. The information given conflicts itself, where it is said to weigh in at both 28 pounds and 30 pounds. Though both of these weights are significantly lighter than any of our previously reviewed tables, which does not promise stability in that weight range claimed. The Dkeli Portable Massage Table Spa Bed Folding should be avoided, as it states it comes with sheets and accessories such as the hanging arm shelf and flexible headrests. One benefit is this table does claim to come with a 12-month warranty with satisfaction guaranteed, but with the lack of customer reviews, we cannot guarantee they will be easy to get in contact with. Again, due to the price point and the quality claimed to be provided, this is not a reliable purchase and we recommend you avoid this table. Here are some pros. Budget-friendly, lightweight, 12-month warranty satisfaction guarantee. Here are some cons. Only one customer review, price point not logical for quality claim.